Boys, it's super easy. I am going to make my sons work from 3, 4, 5 years old. I'm going to have them boxing, training. I'm not going to buy them nice clothes. If I have a younger son and an older son, it's going to be the same system as me and Andrew had. The clothes and the shoes get passed down, hand-me-downs. I'm not going to buy them anything. I'm going to make it very clear that I am rich and they are poor. And if they want to be rich, they're going to have to go through what I went through. Gordon Ramsay, this is just one example, but he makes his kids fly in economy and flies first class with his wife. My daughters, maybe, can sit in first class with me. My sons are back in economy if I take them anywhere ever, but they're paying for their own plane tickets. I'm just going to be really, really hard on them. Trauma and stress and pressure helps build men into better people. So I'm going to put that trauma and stress and pressure on my sons.